gorgeous unit from UNice Hair. They went ahead and sent me their Bye Knots breathable cap unit. It is a 7x5 lace closure unit, and it is in 24 inches and body wave. I cut some layers in it, as you guys can see, and it is looking really nice and voluminous. This hair is gorgeous. It's not going anywhere, and it is also 100% glueless. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about these knots. They ate with this one. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-parted baby hairs, pushed back, part in the middle already made, and all I had to do was put it on my head. You heard that right? Put it on my head. All I had to do. You guys are gonna see. This is absolutely insane technology they have came out with this Bye Knots unit. I no longer have to bleach. You no longer have to bleach. If you're a beginner, you don't have to bleach. If you're a stylist, you don't have to bleach. This is absolutely insane. You guys, this parting space ate. It's really giving, and the fact that I didn't have to do too much but put it on, cut it, style it, is everything and more. Everything a beginner wants and is a beginner's dream. So if you are a lazy wig girl, you want a wig that you don't have to do too much with, this is definitely giving you all the convenience and more. And this wig is super duper affordable, so don't forget to go ahead and check the description box for the link to this specific wig. And without further ado, I'm gonna just show you guys how to get this gorgeous look and results from this gorgeous Bye Knots unit from UNice Hair. So let's jump into today's tutorial, and I actually talk in this video, so let's jump into the tutorial. When I tell you, I probably could just wear this unit like this, just wet it down with a little water, make the waves wave, and it'll just be wearing like this. That's kind of crazy. I rarely ever just take a unit out the bag and just put it on my head, but UNice was just like, trust me with this one, we got you. And I am absolutely shook because I haven't done anything just yet. No cutting, no clipping, nothing. No hair laid down, nothing. This unit is fire. This body wave is fire. UNice, y'all ate that, because what? So now I'm actually gonna, you know, make it a little bit more presentable to my liking. So if you are quite beginner friendly and all you want to do is just spray your edges down, girl, do that and walk out the door. Your unit is fine. But right now what I'm working with is just trying to flatten the top. I'm gonna use these two. I barely use products because you really don't need it if you have good quality wigs. So I'm gonna just use this to flatten my top. I'm going to, you know, make my baby hairs, spray up what I need to spray up and tie down, and then get into these curls. All right, so boom. I literally, with little to no product, just my hot comb, fixed that issue, the issue of the wig looking a little bit bulky, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is, like I said, just part this piece out. All right, hold it down. Get your wax stick, any wax stick works, and keep holding this piece back here. And you want to slide the hot comb like that. Slide it like that. And you're gonna slide to the back as well, because what we don't want is looking crazy in the back. We never want that. We want to be a vibe all around town, okay? Period. So just like that, we've gotten the unit flat enough, or flat to my liking at least, because UNice already did half the damn work. So now it's time to really get into today's tutorial.
When I was around, you never looked my way. It's a fact. nice to meet you. Back then when I see you, we're like, no, 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 no. I can't be mad with you. It's so cold when yo te digo, mami, no te necesito, no, 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 no. Porque tú no me quieres con nadie, tú no me quieres con nadie. You don't want me with nobody, no. Now I see a different side of you. Always got problems all around you. Even when the problem ain't about you, what's to say about you? Hablando pura mierda when you wasted. You can't even hold a conversation. I mean, I'm running out of patience, running out of ways for me to fake it. But keep it 100, did you have faith? When I was around, you never looked my way. It's a fast life, mommy, things gon' change. I was never the type to complain.
When you cut layers in body wave hair, just go together real bad. Try it out, let me know how you like it. I really don't think that any hairstyle that has that voluminous look can go without layers. I've never seen it done before. Everybody and their mama cut layers. If you don't know what layers is, honey, you need to look it up. It just gives the hair so much dimension you never knew you needed. So let's get into curling, because right now this hair is giving quality, and I went ahead and just straighten it a little bit, because when you don't straighten it, you tend to get some weird looking humid curls. But if you want your curls to be really nice and defined, and that goes with any wig straight out the box, you always want to either blow dry it a little bit straight or just run your flat iron through it in order for it to be like gorgeous for real. course, and they sent me their Bye Bye Knot 7x5 lace closure unit. It is a breathable cap wig unit in 24 inches, and these are my curls. I love that I added layers to it for a little bit of definition and fullness. As you guys can see, it's eating. I'm loving the face framing. Like, I'm living for this unit, and it is really super soft. As you can see, there's a shine to it that you rarely ever see when you take a wig out the box and just style it. So I'm loving that, and I did not use any products whatsoever but a hairspray, which is supposed to be drying. And as you can see, the hair is full of life. I'm moving, it's moving. I can run my fingers through it. I'm not getting shedding, tangling, anything crazy. So far so good. This Bye Bye Knots unit is absolutely insane. I'm gonna just come close up so you guys can see. Bro, look at this lace. As you can see, invisible. I'm living for the bleaching. They really ate that. So it came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and all I had to do was put it on. Girl, the edges even came with it. And of course, you know, you go in and you do your zhuzhing, and this is what I got after doing my zhuzhing. I'm loving the quality. It is 100% glueless, so I can go like that. And this wig is flat laid down. I had to put it back in because, girl, I did not just melt this unit for over 20 minutes for you to be like taking it off. So I'm not trying to take this unit off. I'm loving it. This unit is really eating right now, and I'm loving every bit of it. So don't forget to go ahead and check those links out in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from UNice. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next